Alright guys, if I look tired, it is because I am tired. I had work this morning, but today's the day. It been a crazy past 48 hours. I had the original painter cancel on me for some BS reason. I don't care about that. I had to make a few phone calls, got my homie Juan from the last video back over there. He brought his guy Victor, and we're gonna get this shit knocked out this weekend as planned. We got a lot of shit we gotta get going on. We gotta drill some holes for the fiberglass front bumper and side skirts. We gotta do all the Bondo work today, and then tomorrow we're gonna come back, paint it all. I'm probably gonna throw it down on the grill. It's gonna be great. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I haven't really shown too much yet, but I've been in the garage trying to get everything prepped, sanded. Juan and Victor have been in there. They've been patching up any dents with Bondo. We've removed the, we're mounting up fenders, we're removing the mirrors. I got the sunroof out, so I'm gonna just give you guys a bunch of little clips of all that stuff real quick, and then I'll try to be better about recording this process. Alright guys, so we're back for day 2 of painting the S14.5. I'm on my way right now to go pick up the paint. It is 7:29 a.m. The place opens at 8. I want to get the paint as early as I can so we can get back to working in the garage. I know I didn't record too much yesterday, just because mainly my hands were covered in Bondo primers and shit. So I didn't want to get the camera all dirty and have Angel pissed off at me. But today, Angel's off of work. He's gonna be around to help out with everything else, so we'll be able to film and record a lot more. When we finally stopped last night and decided, you know, it's time for bed, it was about 11:45, and we made a lot of progress. The sunroof's out, a bunch of the car's taken apart right now. I fit and trimmed the front bumper. Fiberglass is a pain in the ass. I'll show you once I get back to the house what that looks like. But Danny was looking at me like, man, you're gonna have to cut off half this damn bumper. And so, cut up half that damn bumper. But now we're just on our way to Single Source. We're gonna go pick up this paint, a bunch of other little supplies. I gotta get a new respirator, and we'll be good to go to get this thing painted. So, let's get it. Alright guys, after a little bit of a wait, I got the paint, I got the new color. You guys want to see it? I know you guys want to see it. It's right here. It's that can on the floor. That's the new color. It's right there. You guys waited for it, and there it is. It's inside the can, if you guys haven't figured that out. And I'm not showing any of you guys till it's ready.
Alright guys, what's up? It's day 2 of painting the S14.5. We've already been doing a bunch of stuff. We've filmed already. We just haven't really talked to the camera much, so we want to do that now. Jeff's taking off the front fender. And then as soon as these guys get back from Harbor Freight, we're gonna start laying, we're gonna set up the booth and then we're gonna start spraying.
Right there? Yeah, that should be good right there. If you want to more go this way, you can straight up there. Pass around.
Just wipe everything?
Yep.
Say less.
Say a little more.
Wipe everything carefully. Say less. Back. Quarter pan or okay, now you can hide. It's actually not too bad to breathe in here. We had the fan running, but the car's one color for the first time in like 6 months. Well, fuck you. I know you guys really want to see the car in one color, but you guys cannot be standing out in front of my house. Hey, can you fans go away? The color's a secret. Go away, fans. Hey, it's not. Alright guys, we switched back to the nice wide angle lens where you guys can literally see everything from your sofa to my sofa.
Just get into it, bro.
We're about to lay base. So that means fucking color. So that means, Angel, make this shit black and white. So now that we're black and white, Angel,
I don't think we're black and white yet. Maybe I don't see color though, so we always black and white.
We always black and white. But we're about to get into it. This is about it. We're gonna lay this color. Juan's got a gun full of it. And we're gonna get laying it soon. Juan's gonna spray just the side skirts, then Victor's gonna come back and hit the rest. So, let's do it.
Wait, are we flipping this to a whole new video?
Oh, I'm dying. To see the car when it's painted. Bloopers. Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video right here. Just because I kind of want to break it into two parts. I want you guys to kind of feel the anticipation that I'm feeling right now. They just laid the first thing of base in there, and I don't know, it's fucking wild. Realistically,
the color is.
Hey, you guys stop doing this shit. Shut the fuck up. Next video, you guys will see color. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be.
Hey. They ain't seen color next video.
Oh. Wait, what?
May 19th. It's not lying to the people.
I want to tell you guys the truth, but you guys aren't going to see color till May 19th. Or, if you guys picked up on any of the hints I've dropped, the ton that are in this video alone, dropping these hints. So,
that's too much of a clue.
Too much? Oh. Yeah, sorry guys, you guys don't get that clue. Some pineapples sound great right now.
You got pineapple in the crib?
I got watermelon. I do not. I don't got watermelon. Hey, fun fact, guys. Angel loves watermelon. So you ever find us at a show? Bring us a fucking watermelon. Angel will literally bite right through the skin and start eating this.
Motherfuckers
So,
are bringing watermelon.
hey, every show you see us at, bring Angel some watermelons and bring Danny a Sprite.
Yeah, you're gonna ruin it.
Oh, yeah.
Bring Danny a Sprite, bring Angel some watermelon. And bring me out,
Bring
bitch.
Jeff some root beer or some fire,
Something really white.
some fireball, some fire.
No, no fireball, no
A
fireball.
drink? Let's see. What can bring for you?
Hey, do you guys have any wooden poles? Jeff loves them, but
I love wooden poles, man. You got wooden poles, I'll take all them damn wooden poles. But that's all for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. It'll be all in black and white, but you guys are gonna watch them lay the color. Right now on Instagram, I have a live post of guessing the color. If you guys see it, cool. If anybody guesses it right, oh, they shooting. I'll let you guys know. But till then, we'll catch you on the next one. Angel, any catchphrase yet?
catch you on the next one.
Catch y'all on the next one.